All right. So for a textbook, I don't have an official textbook at all. So what I'm gonna do for my class is that for each lecture, I'm gonna give you a handout like this, skeletal handout. We're going to fill out the information together in class. Okay. So today we're gonna cover the first lecture, which is coordinate system. But still, if you want to have some references, so these are the textbook that I recommend. So I use this book before, so I like it as well. All right, so let's move on to homework. Do you have any questions? Good. All right, so homework. So there will be 4 different written homework. All right. Throughout the semester, but in addition to that, we will have some online assignments as well. For example, the materials covered at the beginning of the semester will be you can use them to work on the online work. Okay, so that's homework. Coding exercises. If time permitted, then I will give you some coding exercises to do. You don't need to know any coding language in advance. I will do everything for you. You just actually run the code if we have time, because something that I would like to do from time to time. Okay. So in this course, the big part of the course is about writing assignments. So you will have a chance to do some research on the topic related to applied mathematics. We will talk into a little bit more details into this assignment in a minute. So exams, there are 2 exams, 1 midterm, 1 final. This exam is going to be take-home exams. Okay. So what I usually do is that on the day of the exam, I will post the problem, I will post the exam, and you have about almost the entire day just to do the exam. Okay. And then you return it, you send it back to me at the end of the day. Cool. And here is the grade distributions: 15% for homework, 15% for midterm, 20% for final exam, 10% for latex project. And we'll talk about that a little bit again. All of this assignment, this 4 assignment is for writing of the course. Okay. All right. Any questions? Any questions at all? All right. So talking about writing assignments, I'm gonna give you the handout for writing assignments. So there will be 4 writing assignments. The first one is the typesetting project. So in this project, you will learn a new software that allows you to type everything, all the math formula professionally and easily. Okay. As you can see, all the documents that most of the documents that you have so far done in LaTeX. Okay. And also I'm going to give you the lecture notes for today's lecture, just to give you an idea of LaTeX, how we create the beautiful lecture notes. Right. So as you look at the lecture notes, right, everything's done using LaTeX. Okay. So this is the software. You don't have to download anything on your computer. This is you can use a website that's helped you create this type of stuff. I will dedicate 1 day or 2 days on this software, so that exactly how to start, where to start, and what to use, what to do to complete the assignment. Okay. So the assignment is very simple. You just go back to your own notes or any notes for that matter related to mathematics and physics, and then just type everything out using instead of just handwriting. Does that make sense to you? Kind of, yes. Okay. So in a way, instead of handwriting, you convert all of the handwritings that you have into this type of document. For national. So that's the first assignment. Now the second assignment is when we get to the assignment, I will talk in more detail of what we need to do. So number 2 is the literature review. So in a way, when you say about literature review, it's very similar to when you don't understand, when you don't know about something, what you do is you Google it. You know what I'm saying? You don't know about, you have a question, you don't know how to answer the question, you Google the information to get it. The literature review is a more professional way to Google things, right? You have a topics related to applied mathematics. How would you find different way, find different sources to answer certain questions related to the topic of research? That's the literature review. Okay. So it's look naive, but it's actually a difficult project to do in terms of because research is the first time a lot of you do this. So it may take time and effort, a lot of time and effort into literature review. And the first important and difficult task for you to do is to come up or to choose a topic of research, right? Because when you say applied mathematics, there's a lot related to applied mathematics. Okay, so I give you a list here. Let's take a look at the list together and see what come out, what pop up to your interest. All right, you can do and look at this topic, like just pick one course. You can do mathematical chemistry, math related to chemistry, math related to finance, math related to biology. So my research area is in mathematical biology. Mathematical physics, all the topics in applied mathematics. Over years, a lot of people choose sport, especially in baseball, because there's a lot of data that they can talk about using statistic and probability. And you can come up with your own topic, doesn't matter to me, as long as it interests you. Because you need to pick a topic that you like to do research on, you like to look up information on. Because when you start doing this type of project, it's become very overwhelming very quickly. Okay, because of how many articles that you have to look up and how many articles are available for you to look at information. So therefore, you need to find the topic that you like to research on, so that it can keep you doing this for the semester. There are some other topics that you can look at as well. So last semester, like a few people on solve rubrics Q mathematically, which is very interesting read. A couple of assignments some people do have to solve to do mathematically as well, something like that. Again, you need to pick a topic, right? And then we can, after that, we can talk about the assignments, right? You need to pick a topic. And because of the importance of picking a topic, I have assigned a day on which you have to provide me the topic that you want to do research on. So if you go back to the calendar, you will see in about 2 weeks, you need to give me the research topic. Okay. Again, this is very important. Yes, again, the assignment is not simple. And I understand that, I'm aware of that. So, but I'm here to help. Okay. And one way for me to help you is that you need to make appointment to, if you struggle finding topic to do research, then make appointment and talk with me so that we can come up with topic that you okay with that? Okay. I'm currently doing a lot of put my time and effort on doing research in infectious disease, especially dengue fever and COVID-19. I use math model to make predictions on the spread. So you can do something like that as well. I mean, you choose any topic, doesn't matter. I will help you doing the literature review along the way. So I'm not gonna give you a topic and you do everything. I'm gonna work with you, like each and every one of you. Okay. I will have a meeting with each and every one of you and then we paper it. All right. So having said that, this is the day of the first draft of project 2, which is the literature review. There's no class. That on this day, you're gonna make appointment, everyone, half an hour appointment with me. We will go over the assignments together. I will give you the recommendations, and then go back and we improve that, redo it, and then final draft is not gonna be until March 19th. Okay, good. And again, I will, this is just a tentative, I was take out certain topic, put in more topic, depends on how we flow as the group. So maybe today we just cover the coordinating system, and next time we will talk about the latex project, and then the following day we'll talk more about the topic research topic and the second project. You okay with that? All right. Don't feel like you have to do everything yourself. I'm here to help. This is a very weird course, again, because of multivariable calculus, and you have a big gap. You go back to multivariable calculus again. And also, it's a 3-credit course, but there's a lot we have to cover in this class, especially component. So again, I try to make this course as relaxing and enjoyable as possible. Okay, and but you have to complete the assignment. Good. All right. Any questions so far? Concern? Good. All right. Let's try to complete the first 2 assignments first, the latex project and the literature review first, before we even talk about the research article. Okay. Because the first assignment give you a chance to get familiar with the new software. The second project give you an idea how to pick a research topic, how to go through the process of finding the resources to support your research topic. And then you can article and reflection. It's just the reflection of the entire course. So the last assignment is very simple, very straightforward. Questions? Worry? A little bit? All right. So I will make an announcement on this this kind of deadline. Not gonna in the dark in this course. Okay. So for the first assignment, the research topic, you need to give me this topic. Again, if you don't know what topic you want to work on, you need to make an appointment with me, talk to me, email me, discuss so that you find a topic that